Hello everyone. Well, today I'm going to introduce you to another famous consonant sound. I'm not going to tell you which one. I'll just let's see if you arrive at the place where I hope you to arrive at. Uh, well, I'll ask my trainees to produce this sound, and then they say, when I ask a question, what are the two surfaces? And they say upper teeth and lower lip. These are the two surfaces, right? Upper teeth, lower lip. Then I'll just ask another question. Where is your tongue when you produce this sound? And then they just check what's going on inside, and they tell me that the tongue is not doing anything. It's lying at the bottom. So I ask them to produce the sound again, and they do that, and they say, and then I ask them to uh, bring the tongue forward and replace the lip with the tongue. So they will start with this, and they say, yeah, well, this is this one. So it's really difficult for someone, uh, you know, if we can't produce this sound, and it's an easy technique. So you start from this sound and then bring the tongue forward and replace this, replace the lip with the tongue. This one. So the words I can think of is think, think, Thursday, think, Thursday, think, Thursday, thank you, think, Thursday, thank you, think, Thursday, thank you. You can check the dictionary. This is what the symbol is. Well, then, well, as we have discovered this wonderful sound, and it's really easy. You start from there, and then slowly you will get here. Now, so when I ask my trainees that that there are that to produce this one, they say think, thank you, Thursday. A lot of practice is required, and you will get it. Now there are ways to learn what we do, if especially when we talk about sounds. When you imitate somebody, you know you can you imitate someone, and then you learn how to uh, produce the sounds. But I think uh, you it's very difficult for you to gain control over physicality, because when you imitate someone, or when you listen to an audio sound and you repeat, uh, you can produce the sound, but actually don't know what's happening inside, and you can't gain control over physicality. You are under the grip of your mother tongue. So this so we when I tell you, when I help you to discover the muscle, then it's really easy, because you know which muscle to press in order to produce a particular sound. Now we have discovered this one, and I ask my trainees to produce the sound, and they say think, thank you, Thursday. Well, this is a unvoiced sound, and then I asked my trainees, all right, add some voice to it, and first they produce this, they say, and then adding voice, yeah. So when you add voice, it's a different sound. It's so so this is this one. The words which I can think of as this, that, there, the. This is the sound. So that's it. I mean, I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, just do give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe, and happy learning. Thank you very much.